The Earth spins on its axis, which is an imaginary line that runs from North Pole to South Pole. The spinning is called rotation, and it happens in a counterclockwise manner when viewed from above the North Pole. One full rotation takes about 24 hours and gives us day and night. As the Earth rotates, the side facing the Sun experiences daylight, while the side turned away is in darkness, giving us night. This constant rotation means that at any given moment, some parts of the world are waking up to sunlight while others are falling into night. The Earth's axis of rotation isn't straight up and down. It's tilted at an angle of about 23.5 degrees. This tilt is the reason for the seasons and why the length of daylight changes throughout the year. In the summer, when the northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun, we experience the longest daylight hours. In Maine, we have over 15 hours of daylight and less than 9 hours of darkness. In the fall, on the autumnal equinox, when the tilt is neutral neither toward nor away from the sun, the entire Earth has 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of darkness. In the winter, when the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, we experience the shortest daylight hours. In Maine, we have less than 9 hours of daylight and over 15 hours of darkness. In the spring, on the vernal equinox, when the tilt is neutral again, the entire Earth has 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of darkness. Daylight length also changes with latitude because of the curvature of the Earth and its tilt. Near the equator, the length of the day and night stays almost the same throughout the year, about 12 hours each, because the sun's rays hit almost directly year-round. But as you move toward the poles, the differences between day and night become more extreme, especially during the solstices. The tilt of the Earth causes the sun to appear higher or lower in the sky depending on the season. This is why summers in northern regions like Alaska can have nearly endless daylight, while winters can be almost entirely dark. The Earth's counterclockwise rotation gives us the reliable cycle of day and night, while its tilted axis creates the changing lengths of daylight that define our seasons. It's amazing how these motions happening far above us shape our daily lives and the rhythm of the year.